Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily set up Samsung Pay on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So first, what you guys need to do is open up the wallet from Samsung. Now, click on continue, and now log in to your Samsung account. After entering the password, click OK, and now your screen would look like this. Now click Allow, and here you can use a fingerprint to open the wallet or skip and use Samsung Wallet PIN. So I'm gonna go for the PIN. Now here we set it up. Now you need to remember it. And now here you can click on the plus icon, and here what we can add is memberships, coupons, Samsung Pass, digital keys, or boarding passes. Here we can also add card, as you guys can see. We can do something like this. And that would be it. That's how you can easily set up the wallet. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.